Hi everyone, my name is Madi and I'm with Food, Nutrition and Basic Skills, a part of UCSB's Health and Wellness. Today we're going to be making a Halloween treat that I like to call Eerie energy balls. So for today's recipe, what you'll be needing is about a cup of dates, some gluten-free oats, peanuts, peanut butter, cocoa powder, chocolate bars or licorice bars, candy eyes, and you can substitute any of the nuts for other nut butters, such as almond butter or almonds, etc. So first things first, you're gonna wanna remove the pits. So the easiest way to do this is to use a wooden chopstick and take the date and then you insert it into the bottom end, and then you're gonna push the seeds out. Once you do this, your dates are ready to be used in either a food processor or a blender. Once your dates are in a creamy paste, what you'll want to do next is add approximately 3/4 of a cup of peanuts. So I have a 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add this into the mix. Awesome. All right, and then I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of rolled oats. And then next we're gonna add approximately 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, or you can use another nut butter if you prefer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place that into our mixture. It's a little sticky. 3 and 4. Perfect. And we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I'm just gonna do a generous amount since I'm using a 1/2 tablespoon. And then maybe a little bit more. All right, and so we have our mixture ready, so we're gonna go ahead and put this back into the food processor, and if it gets a little bit too dry, you can add a couple tablespoons of water to make it a little more sticky. Once you've blended all of the ingredients together, you'll know it's ready if you're able to pick up some of the ingredients and easily be able to roll it into a ball like this. And then once you have this, you can place it on parchment paper or a plate of your choice and begin rolling more balls out of your mixture and you're ready to go. So before your energy balls get too dry, what you'll want to do is take your cute little candy eyes and insert 2 into each of the balls. So I'm going to grab one here and just start placing them. And it turns out really cute. So just continue this process until you've done all of your energy balls. So for the last and final step, what you'll want to do is take a candy bar or a licorice bar and go ahead and slice them into thin slices for the spider legs. And then for the bat wings, you can use a cookie cutter or a knife to carve out the shape of wings and insert them into these cute little monsters. So for example, I have made a spider here with 3 legs on each side and a bat with little ears on top as well. So I'm going to continue cutting little strips with my knife. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to try out this delicious recipe. It is a complete snack, meaning it has all 3 macronutrients, including protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Last but not least, have a happy Halloween from us here at Health and Wellness.